Nickel is a metal. Explain how the structure of a nickel atom changes when it forms a nickel ion. This one, I want you to just think about how we approach this. A nickel atom. Don't jump the gun yet. Don't answer it, please. What is the charge of any atom? Doesn't matter whether it's nickel, iron, calcium, cobalt, oxygen. What is the charge of any atom? Excellent. Neutral. Well done. Neutral. Who says change of state? No, Muhammad doesn't change state. Neutral. Now, if the charge is positive, have electrons been lost or gained if the charge of the ion is positive? Positive. Excellent. Lost electrons. So the charge is 2 plus. So how many electrons have been lost? How many electrons have? 2, exactly. So this is all you need to say. Ooh, what have I done? Lost 2 electrons. Imagine, look, loss of electrons, 2 electrons. But however, the way I would answer this, because it's 2 marks, and if I just wrote nickel has lost 2 electrons, in my head, I'd be like, have I written enough? Is that enough for 2 marks? I would personally, just to be a little bit extra, to have the mentality of always writing that 1 extra point, just to make sure you've got it correct, I would say nickel has lost 2 electrons, so there are 2 more protons than electrons, which means the charge is 2 plus. Because personally, I would look at that charge and I'd be like, are they asking me to also talk about that in a bit more detail? If you have the mentality of a bit of waffling there, if I'm honest. Oh wait, let me see. Uses 2 electrons. Okay. Yeah, the structure of the atom is to do with the shells and the electrons. So you could go into a little bit more detail with that. Let's move on though. But as you can see, look, loss of 2 electrons. Easy. If that was aluminium, so an aluminium ion, Al3+, you would say lost 3 electrons. What's the formula of sodium sulfate using this information? Yes, Mohammed, that's what I like to hear. Na2, no Miriam, you don't put the SO4 in brackets, you don't need to do that. Nandana, Na2SO, you never have the charge. There's no charge there. Okay, you never. Really, really big mistake. You never ever include a charge in an ionic compound. Now, here's what the answer is. Na2SO4. I can see what you did. All you did was you added them together. You need to know that any ionic compound, such as sodium sulfate or sodium oxide or lithium nitrate, always has a what charge? What do ionic compounds always have a charge of? Going over core content here. Actually, this isn't an exact past paper. The charge, the charge is 0. No, the charge of any ionic compound is 0. Thank you, Avtain. The charge is 0. This is for EDEXCEL and AQA predominantly. For 0, okay, because I don't know much about OCR, so I'm not going to pretend like I don't know much about OCR. Okay, the charge is 0. Therefore, sodium ion has a charge of +1. The sulfate ion has a charge of 2-. We need 2 sodium ions to balance out the charge of the 2-. Therefore, the formula is Na2SO4. When it comes to writing the formula, never ever include a charge. So don't write Na2 plus SO4 2-. That's automatically wrong. However, it does say ignore any charges on ions, but I don't like to teach my students that. 9A, is it A, B, C, or D? I'm going to give you 20 seconds to figure this out. Okay, what do we think it is? I see C's, A's, B's, C's, A's, A's, C's. So A is the predominant one. I see a B in there. I see a couple people getting B's. The likes of, okay, Destiny, well done, Ryan, George, B, Neil, B, Darren, A, Alim, C, Phoebe, A. Okay, let's think about this. An aluminium atom has the atomic number of 13. So therefore, I know an aluminium atom is going to have 13 protons, 13 electrons, and then the mass number is 27. So 27 take away 13 is 14. If I just read that information and skipped that, I'd be like, so 13, 14, yeah, A. But wait a second, let me read this. Okay, so here's the question. That was just information. Which row shows the numbers of subatomic particles present in an aluminium ion, Al3 plus. So if an atom has 13 electrons, how many electrons will an aluminium ion have? It's okay, Aridne. Exactly, Kaylee. 10. That's the mistake people make. You read that and you ignore that, and people who create the exam, look how many of you said A. Look, let me go up. All of you said, so many of you said A. Look at that. Such an easy question. Look how many of you said A. Okay, exactly, Shahir. So you do 13 electrons, take away the 3 that have been lost. So look, it's either going to be B or C, but we know it's B because the atomic number is 13, so there are 13 protons. And then look, 14 neutrons as 27, take away 13 is 14. I actually have a trackpad that I use to write, but it doesn't work on my laptop for some reason. I would be making it easier to understand. Okay, so look, it's going to be B. B is the only correct answer. Does that make more sense now? Embarrassing. Exactly. Good. I like that, Amira.